Hello everyone, today we're going to calibrate our OP-900A indicator. We also carry this indicator in LCD models, stainless steel and fully washed down. So first go ahead and press the on and off button. It is located right here all the way to the left. Hold it down and it will turn on. After you have turned it on, we're going to press the hold and print button to get into the calibration mode or the parameters. So Series 01 would allow us to choose between pound or kilogram. We're going to enter with the print button or the enter sign right here. Okay, so 1 represents kilograms and 2 would represent pound. We're going to choose pound and press print to enter. From here we go to C02, which would allow us to choose how many decimals we want. I'm going to choose, first going to enter, and then going to choose 0 because I want it to show whole numbers. C03, it is another step or parameter which will show the graduation. You know, how do you want the scale to count? Do you 1 pounds or 2 pounds, or every 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, or 50 pounds? So since we're doing a 5,000 pounds by 1 pound calibration here, we're going to choose 1. But just to show you, we do have the option of going 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, or 50. So it goes back to 1, you press enter. C04, it is the capacity of the scale. You see the scale was already pre-calibrated, but if you wanted to change it, you would go back and forth with these two buttons here, which is the units and count, and you'll be able to move them up and down with tare and 0. So we're going to leave it at 5,000 pounds here, and we're going to press print. Very well, we will enter C05, and in here we would want to press enter one more time, and we're going to change this to 1. We want the scale to pretty much clear everything out to start calibration, so we're going to press print, and it would do a countdown for you all the way down to 0, and it would clear. When the number turns 0, you would press print again, and we would get into C06. We're going to enter that as well with the print option, and we're going to change this to 1, which will allow us to calibrate the scale. Okay, so here we would enter how many pounds we're using to calibrate the scale. Now the OP-900A is recommended if you're calibrating to use at least 10% of the max capacity. Now in some cases, I mean, you could use lower weights, but it is definitely recommended. You know, the higher weight you have, the better calibration results you would get. So you're setting higher frequencies. So here we would choose 100 pounds. You know what, let's change it. Let's change it to 150 pounds. I have 3 50-pounders with me. So 150 pounds I have, and I'm going to choose that. Now from here, I will actually load up the weights on the scale, and after I'm done loading up, I'm going to press print or enter. Okay, very well. We have that in place. We're going to wait a few seconds and press print. Now it's going to do another countdown for you, and the cal end. So that means the scale is calibrated. Now how do we get out of here? We're going to press the accumulation button, or total as we call it, and that would go back out to the regular operating mode. And if you were to remove one of the calibration weights, 50 pounds, another 50 pounds, and another 50 pounds. So you could actually test the scale now by putting the weight back on to see if it's accurate, and it seems to be. Alrighty. Well, the scale is calibrated. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call. Thank you so much, and have a